The Khurshid Akhtar Khan Training Institute, a professional courses institute. KAKTI is offering multiple courses, but today we are here to talk about the digital marketing course. Digital marketing has a wide range and is constantly growing. For organizations to remain competitive in the digital environment, evolving trends, technologies, and customer behaviors must be adjusted. Additionally, it is becoming more and more crucial to combine traditional and digital marketing channels when developing cohesive and successful marketing plans. So, what will you learn in digital marketing course at KAKTI? Social media marketing, which includes Facebook marketing, organic versus paid marketing, types of advertisements, Facebook ads targeting, types of audiences, management tools, and automation tools. You can also learn about Google Ads, which includes an introduction to Google Ads, campaigns, shopping ads, sales, leads, website traffic, and brand awareness. You can also learn about graphic designing, which includes Facebook posts and Instagram posts. So, what are you waiting for? Feel free and enroll now. WhatsApp us on 0309 895 7000 or on 0302 895 7000. Email us at cactipk.official@gmail.com. Our website is www.cacti.pk. Our address is 116B MM Alam Road, Mini Market, Gulbarg 2, Lahore. See you at Cacti.